Let's have a look into one of our core elements of the software. It's our course editor. It's a very easy drag and drop, simple to use course editor to create beautiful course content with a lot of diverse feature. So this is the administration overview, and here you have the overview of all the courses. First of all, you can create course categories with different symbols, and if you have many courses in your learners area, your learners gonna have these filter options to sort through the different courses. So it gives like a nice way to structure these courses. And you can create a course. You have multiple options. You can just start from scratch. You can already take our demo course to play around a bit, or you can create courses with AI, and you can give it a name, a description, and we're gonna generate the course outline, so you have a starting point for yourself. But let's go into one existing course. First of all, you can already duplicate these courses in different learning areas, which is a nice feature. So if you have multiple learning areas, you just can, for example, duplicate a course as a template for somebody, or you can set individual live core boxes. So each individual course can have like a live core box here on the side. So that can be individual for each course. So you just have to activate and fill it out, and then you can have separate boxes within your course. So this is like inside the course. You have many options. First of all, we're gonna call it a chapter. A chapter or a section has like a short description. The short description is, as you can see here in the overview, and a long description. On mobile, this can be expanded and compacted. So you have all the recent content or the most important content, like the first lecture, right in view, and you can have a look into the content. And then you have multiple options. For example, you can add a specific email variable. So every time this specific course gets sent out to your learners, there will be a different text in each email. That's something you can do. And then there are a lot of options. First of all, you can set the course categories, as I already mentioned, but you can also always show the course in the overview. So even if people do not have the access to the course, you can showcase that there is a course, and people can then, you can link it to a sales page here or landing page, and then you can sell the course. So this is how you can do upsells or like show like a learning path. You can also deactivate the progress. So instead of having here like an overall completion rate, you can just take it off. For example, if there's a course which is not actually to be done 100% or in sequence, if you just use this as like a media or an information library. You can also enable comments, and then under each lecture, there's gonna be the option to leave a post, which is super handy. So it works like directly and integrated with our spaces, with our community tool. You have more stylized option. Obviously, you can also generate the thumbnail. You can just upload one yourself, or you can use one of our pre-made templates or create your own template. And there you just can upload a background image, change the text, change the fonts, have some more settings here, and you don't have to go into a proper editing tool to create nice looking thumbnails. You can just create one template and then reuse it again and again. You can also say at what time this content, if there's a drip timer, if the email gets sent out 8 in the morning or 8 in the afternoon, you just can change it here. And then you have the course content itself. You can add a lecture, and then you have the different types of lectures. You have video and audio, PDF, text, exam, certificate, and iframe lectures. So for example, if you want to embed like a calendar tool or something like this. And here with the audio and video, you can just upload up to 8 GB large files. Here, or even up to 25 gigabytes. We upgraded that. There's a 4K upgrade package that you can also store 4K videos here, and you have unlimited video storage. You can also record videos directly here from the tool. So you can do something like webcasting directly from Memberspot, or even share your screen or do multiple things directly from our tool. You can also import tools if you already have uploaded them to a different video platform or just from Google Drive. Then under each video you can add with the editor rich text content. You can even put call to actions, buttons, and more. I will just do this URL as an example. So you can put in buttons, you can upload images, you can add attachments up to 500 megabyte. You can do a lot of things. Here you can also say, hey, I want to change the type of the lecture, and then you can, for example, upload a PDF. You can create exams, like multiple choice exams. You create first and then you link them, and you can put them here, and much more. And the best thing, you also have the options to use drip content. So after a person gets access to one course or many courses, like the content gets released over time. You can publish these things. You can also say, hey, this section, I want that this is a manual section, and only people, specific people, I'm gonna show this to them. Or this is available soon. Then you can see it in the course structure, but you cannot enter and navigate into one section. This is, for example, very helpful if you're still working on a course. So as you see, it's very fast and responsive. You can go through these lectures like one by one. It loads incredible fast. It's a lot of fun to work here with like a lot of like hundreds of lectures. And you have an AI tool. So once it's read like the content, it gives you ideas, how you could name the lecture, how you could give it a short description, and what kind of text you could use. And then you can also find these content later as learner here. And yeah, so this is like the heart and soul of Memberspot is our course editor, and you're gonna have a lot of fun using it because it's easy to use. You can create beautiful looking content, and overall it's a very powerful tool. Enjoy.